Now, one of the interesting things about the Swiss franc Japanese yen pair is that it has a strong end to the year, but a relatively weak start to the year. Now, the reason that's particularly interesting is because we've just seen the Bank of Japan meet and they failed to exit negative interest rates, and that's caused the yen to weaken significantly and has given the Swiss franc yen pair a nice boost higher in line with its seasonal pattern around the end of the year. However, notice that even though the Bank of Japan has failed to signal the exit of negative interest rates, it is still expected to start hiking interest rates around spring next year. So that means the yen weakness could easily find buyers. And look at this very weak seasonal pattern in the Swiss franc Japanese yen pair. It falls over around 70% of the time, for an average of fall about 1.04% at the start of the year, and has done over the last 23 years. So does that mean that the Swiss franc Japanese yen pair is a good opportunity to sell from any rallies higher up to that 168 region? Remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax It. All outlooks have risks, this is no exception, and the main outlook here, risk, is that if the Swiss National Bank and the Japanese central bank diverge in their central bank policy, so particularly if the Swiss National Bank needs to hike interest rates or the Bank of Japan decides they don't need to exit negative interest rates, that will be the major risk to this outlook.